If you can't find your effect control, there's no need to panic. It's either you come here, you click on this arrow here, and you look for your effect control here. If you still can't find your effect control here, you come here to Windows. Then in this Windows, just search for effect control. This is it here. Then click on it. Your effect control will arrive here. And if you're actually looking for your tools here and you can't find this one here, what you have to do here is to go down to your tools. You see it's clicked. Just let me say, for example, now if this is not here, your tools, if you're looking for your tools, probably your pick tool, your text tool, and you can't see it, what happened is that you just need to go down here and click on these tools, check it, just make sure it's ticked. Then look at it, then you can adjust it, make it wider or make it anyhow you want to do it. And still, if there's anyone here that has peradventure it has closed and you can't find it again, maybe the timeline or whatever, or the effect control, whatever you need back, you can just come here and click on reset saved layouts. Everything will just like reset to default and you get everything back. So subscribe and see you in the next.